I'm about to take you on a tour inside of one of the most popular and highly sought after floor plans built by Toll Brothers, the Antioch, which is located in the Vista Ridge community here in Woodstock, Georgia. This model has the modern farmhouse exterior, and there are two more exterior options available for this floor plan. This stunning two-story home features 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and sits at 3,545 square feet. Pricing for the floor plan starts in the 820s. During the intro, you may have noticed several of the amenities in this community, which include a resort-style pool, which has an attached cabana, and next to the pool there are pickleball courts, and there's a playground as well. Later in the video, I have a surprise for you that has to be the best feature in any Toll Brothers home I've seen so far. Make sure you stay tuned to find out what it is. Enjoy the tour. hope you're enjoying the tour so far. Let's head upstairs to see the primary bedroom. By the way, my name is Christian. I'm a real estate agent and content creator based here in Metro Atlanta. If you're looking to buy or sell a home here, you can give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me a quick email. All of my contact info is listed in the first comment below. If you're enjoying the tour so far, be sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. I'm bringing you the best luxury new construction homes in Metro Atlanta every week. Also, leave a comment below letting us know what's missing or what would you add to this floor plan. Let me show you the surprise feature in this home, which I rarely see even at a much higher price point. Some of you may have already seen this feature before, but it's rare that a home has it installed, and that is these enormous glass sliding doors which opens your home up to the patio, which is incredible for hosting parties, family events, and cookouts. It connects the kitchen to the patio where guests can easily make their way in and out, creating one big space where everyone can socialize. Drop a comment below letting us know if this is a must-have feature for you. I know for me, it's definitely going to be in our next home. So a few of the features on this stone-tiled patio include an awning. There is a built-in fan to help keep everyone cool during those hot summer days. There's also a dry bar with a built-in fridge and grill. There's a standing fireplace, which is perfect for the winter months to keep you nice and warm. They have a cornhole court where you can have some fun with your friends, and it's really just an amazing space for hosting. Now, if you've enjoyed the tour, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you want to see the best homes in Metro Atlanta every week, and feel free to contact me using the information listed in the first comment below if you have any questions or you're thinking about buying or selling a home here in Metro Atlanta. Be sure to check out one of these two videos if you want to see another elite Atlanta home. I'll see you there.